Howdy team, this is part 8 of converting your website into an Android app. Today we'll be adding push notifications using Google Firebase.
Alright, now we're going to do the last part of this WebView guide, which will be setting up push notifications using Firebase. They will also respond to the push notification on click. Will change the WebView URL in your app, so it can be a really good promotional tool. But first thing we want to do is we will open a new Internet Explorer. Nah, it's Chrome. And we'll go to Firebase or firebase.google.com. Get started. Obviously, I have an account already. If you don't, just follow along the prompts on creating an account, which I'm sure won't be too difficult. But we will create another one that'll be pretty much the same as this. That's one I've done before. Add project. Name your project. Christopher WD YouTube. Update this. Yeah, whatever. All right, accept, create project. Continue. Cool. All right, so first thing we want to do, we're making an Android app, so we'll go to Android package name. We've used this in sort of a lot of parts in earlier tutorial, but if you need it, you go to Android manifest, which can be app manifest, Android manifest. Grab it from there. App nickname, we'll just call it Christopher WD. Not going to bother with that for now. Register app. All right, so we'll have to download this. Cool. Might just pop that on the desktop. Okay. All right, before we do this, we're just going to pop that Google Services file into our app. So if we go up to here where it's got the Android drop down, we're going to change that over to project, which will just show the folder structure in a different way. So the easiest way, we want it in this folder. If we right click, show in Explorer, that'll open the folder and we just have to enter it, app. All right, and we'll grab that and we will come, here we go, pop it in. And now, there we go, it's in the app folder. Head back over to Firebase. We've got, we need to add these dependencies in the project level build, project level Gradle and the app level Gradle. All right, so we'll grab, actually we'll just grab the line. And so our project level Gradle or build.gradle is under this second Gradle folder. It's this one, build.gradle. So if you open that, this should look like this. And just under here, under the Android tools, pop that in here. It'll ask you to sync. We'll do that in a tick. So now we're going to do the app level build.gradle, which is this one here. So we will grab, I'm going to grab these from my copy paste guide because we will need we'll need to implement an extra service. So just after the Espresso core, I've actually added two. On the Firebase walkthrough, it will tell you to add the Firebase core, which we've done, but we've also added Firebase messaging because we'll need that to run our push notifications. And then we'll grab the plugin and that just goes after the closing bracket there. Cool. Now we'll sync. It'll tell you if it shits itself, which it has not. And then we'll just go next. And it'll take a little bit, but it will check if it's communicating with the servers. And there we go. It's recognized that our app has Firebase. To get that, you might need to rerun your app. So see how you go on, get on, continue, and then we're done with Firebase for now, and we'll start adding the functionality into our app. All right, so we're going to create two new Java classes. So first thing, we'll just change the folder structure back to Android, and we'll go Java in here. So we're going to go right-click the domain, new Java class. This one we're going to call My Firebase Messaging Service. It's a class, everything else is all good. Okay. All right, I've got the script to copy on my walkthrough guide, but bang, that's on there. Again, just make sure you update your package names correspond to your app. And the second Java class we're going to make will be called my Firebase. My Firebase instance ID service. You got to make sure you spell it exactly the same because we'll be referencing it later on. Copy, paste from the guide, get rid of this shit. Cool, that's 2 new Java classes. Now, if we head over to our Android manifest, just after the activity, we're going to add the 2 services. Cool, now that's done. We're going to head back over to we'll close some of this stuff, get it out of the way. Head back over to our main activity.java. If you can't find that, app java domain main activity.java. And it'll be your main activity. I'll grab the code we're going to copy. Just in our onCreate method, after set content view, we're going to add some of our Firebase Java. It doesn't have the class imported, so we'll grab that. Alt Enter. Cool. That should be it. We'll give it a go and see how we get on. First of all, we will run the app just to make sure we didn't bugger it up. Cool. The app launched, so that means we didn't break the app. Now, if we head over to Firebase, it is under cloud messaging. So under Grow, on the left side, Grow, cloud messaging. And we'll go send your first message. All right, so this will be the push notification title, the text label, that's just for your own sort of stuff. On the app, I'm just going to take it back to the menu. So title, test, notification. This is a test. Next. Target is user. Select that. That's our app. So one app uses 100% of potential users. Next. We'll send it now. Nope. Here is how it's been set up to adjust the URL on the web view if you want. The key here is URL. It's written into one of our classes, and then the value you enter your URL. But we won't do that on this occasion. We'll go review, publish.
Sweet. We click on that, and the app opens.